Hello, my friends, and welcome to another Amazon product review. Today, we are checking out the T10S True Wireless Stereo Earbuds from Geman. These are $26 on Amazon, and I'll link it in the description below if you guys want to check it out. So, let's see what we got here. They come with a wireless, well, obviously they're wireless, but they come with this little case here, and it has a charging port here in the bottom, and it has these little check out. It's really kind of small and sleek case, no like corners or anything to catch on. Looks like it has a little magnetic thing to hold that in place. All right, so here is the actual piece there. There's the right ear, and let's see, those just kind of fit in there nicely like that. Looks like they have a little microphone there on the bottom. I'll be testing these out for comfort and the sound pickup and stuff like that. So that is that very small and elegant looking case there. What else is in the box? As expected, a USB to, I believe that's a USB-C charging cord. And then you just have the instructions here. Not a whole lot. I'm going to go ahead and get this paired up with my phone. I'm going to test it out, charge it up, see how it all works, and I'll be back with the final review, my friends. Alright, so here we go. I have turned my Bluetooth on. Now I'm just taking them out of the case here. Should be finding a T1. I forgot to put scan there. There they are, T12 right there. So click on there. Pairing. And oh, that was super easy. We are paired already. Calls and audio. Okay, we are using the Bluetooth microphone options here. So I'm just going to kind of walk away, kind of go farther away, just keep talking normal. I'm in the garage, and I'm just going to go into the house and shut the door and see how the talking is. I'm still talking behind a closed door. Let's go back and see how it works now. So back into the garage. Let's check this out. Pretty excited to see this. Well, my friends, I'm using the audio again from the Bluetooth headphones here, and just got one done listening to a song or two, and yeah, it's decent. The quality is good. It doesn't have noise canceling per se, like the for like actual like electronic noise canceling, but if it's comfortable in my ear, I was shaking my head around, it wasn't falling out. So far, it's been no issues like as far as like sound going out or anything, listening to my music. I'm taking a video with the microphone from the earbuds, just learn out how to do that. So that's really cool. That's a feature I've been looking for, and that's kind of nice. All in all, guys, just some good little ear pods or earbuds, whatever you want to call them. And these are about $26 on Amazon. So I'll link these in the description below. You guys want to check them out, feel free to use that link. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Oh, so the ease of pairing was nice too. Some things you try to, like Bluetooth things, you try to hook them up together, and it just, the pairing just doesn't work out very good. Or this is, as soon as I took them out of the case and looked on the scan on my Bluetooth, they're right there and they paired immediately. Also, when I put them back in, they turn off. If you want to turn them off of the little case, and to turn them, as soon as you take them out of the case, it comes on, pairs to your Bluetooth headphones. Mine just pair to each other automatically. You can use just one headphone if you want, or one earbud, I mean, call them headphones. But all in all, just a nice little set of listening devices, and microphones seem to be doing a decent job as well. Thanks for watching this video, my friends, and I will see you next time.